What if I told you? This SUV is quieter than a Rolls-Royce, more comfortable than first-class airline seats, and still packs a twin-turbo V8 under the hood. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. And this isn't just transportation. This is rolling royalty. From the outside, the Maybach GLS 600 doesn't scream. It whispers wealth. The massive chrome grille shines with confidence. The Maybach badge on the pillar tells you this is not a regular GLS. Exclusive two-tone paint options elevate its presence instantly. Massive multi-spoke wheels, chrome detailing everywhere, elegant, powerful, and unmistakably premium. This isn't built to race. It's built to arrive. Now let's talk power. Under the hood sits a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing around 550 horsepower. It's paired with EQ Boost mild hybrid technology for extra smoothness and efficiency. 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.8 seconds. Yes, this luxury palace moves like a sports SUV when needed. But speed isn't the main story here. Silence is, comfort is, presence is. Step inside, and everything changes. Open the rear door, and you don't step into a car. You step into a private lounge. Executive rear seats that recline almost like a bed. Heating, ventilation, massage functions, fold-out tables, champagne cooler option, premium Napa leather everywhere, real wood trim, soft ambient lighting that glows at night like a luxury hotel suite. The cabin is insulated so well that road noise almost disappears. It feels like the world outside has been muted. The 2026 model is expected to feature the latest Mercedes MBUX infotainment system. Dual screens for rear passengers. Advanced driver assistance systems. Air suspension that scans the road ahead and adjusts automatically. When you glide over bumps, you barely feel them. It doesn't drive over roads. It floats above them. And then there's presence. Pull up to a hotel, to a business meeting, to an airport terminal. People don't see just an SUV. They see status. Because Maybach isn't about showing off loudly. It's about quiet power, understated dominance, confidence without noise. Price. Expect it to start around $175,000 to $200,000 depending on options. And trust me, most buyers add plenty of options. Because personalization is everything at this level. So here's the real question. If you had the choice, would you sit in the driver's seat of a loud supercar? Or relax in the back of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600, while someone else drives? Because true luxury isn't always about speed. Sometimes, it's about silence. And this SUV, it masters it.